friends, let me welcome you all in the orientation video of quick registrations. First of all, let me just brief about the GCAS portal itself. The GCAS, the Gujarat Common Admission Services. This is one of the initiative by our own government of Gujarat Educational Department. This is really a very nice initiative. With the help of this particular portal, being a student, you can apply on a multiple programs of different government universities in Gujarat. So with the single portal, you can able to have a multiple options. Let me just go ahead. Friends, in GCAS portal in registrations, there are two phases. The first one is a quick registration, and second one, after once you just receive the user ID and password, you are supposed to do the form filling. So in this particular first video, we will just simply try to understand the quick registration. So first of all, what you are supposed to do, simply go in Google and write down the GCAS students login. The first website itself, gcas.guj.gov.edu.in. Once you just click on that, the home screen will be open. On the home screen itself, on the right hand side, you have the button on quick registration. So once you just click on that, a new window will be open. On this particular window, we have a different fields. First one is a program type. So whether you want to go for undergraduate program or postgraduate program, that you are supposed to select. Okay, for example, I am going for the BBA. So I am just simply clicking a undergraduate regular program. Afterwards, next field is a upper ID and ABC ID. Once you have the ABC ID, you can enter it. Next, name as per your mark sheet. So whatever name you have in your HSC and SSC mark sheet, the same name you are going to enter over here. The next field is category. So whether you are belonging from SCBC, SC, ST, EWS or general. So whatever categories under which you are falling, you are supposed to select that. Next one is gender. So whether you are male or female, your concerned genders you will enter. Next, the date of birth. Once you just click on that, a calendar will be open. You are supposed to select the year first. So you are supposed to select the year, then after month, then after date. So your date of birth will be come over here. Next, you will simply give the consent to the education department so that they can email you regarding the future initiatives. Next important aspects is email ID and mobile number. These two fields are most important in the quick registration because you are supposed to enter only those email ID and mobile number which you are regularly using. Because on this particular email ID and mobile number, you are going to receive the two separate OTPs in this registration, quick registration. So as and when you enter the CAPTCHA and simply click on get the OTP, a two separate OTP will be sent on the email ID and mobile number. You are supposed to enter that and click on submit. Once you just submitted, you will receive the user ID and password on both your email ID as well as on your mobile number. And that user ID and password you are going to use in the next phase, that is form filling. So I would like to thank you all of you for joining me in this quick registration orientation video. Thank you.